If you're trying to grow an online business, one question matters more than almost anything else. How do you consistently generate leads? Because without leads, there are no customers. But many beginners quickly realize something frustrating: getting leads online is much harder than it sounds. Most people try to generate leads by sending traffic to a basic website. But websites aren't designed for conversions. Visitors arrive, scroll around, and leave without taking action. Even worse, many beginners don't have a system to capture and follow up with leads once they show interest. So potential customers disappear before you ever get a chance to connect with them. This is where GoHighLevel can simplify the entire process. Instead of relying on a normal website, you can create a simple lead generation funnel. First, you build a landing page designed specifically to capture leads. This page might offer something valuable like a guide, a consultation, or helpful information. When someone enters their contact information, that lead is automatically stored inside the GoHighLevel CRM. From there, you can trigger automated follow-ups through email or SMS. This means every new lead immediately receives communication from your business, without you manually chasing them. Over time, this creates a simple system where your funnel captures leads and your automation nurtures them automatically. And that's the foundation of a scalable online business. Click the link in the description to get your free GoHighLevel for Beginners, What Actually Matters First ebook. And also click the link in the description to start a free trial of GoHighLevel.